Let's see how se starts playing with vowels. Well, here we have se that wants to play with these vowels, and let's see how a starts playing with it. So we know now that the first one that has a hat comes at the beginning of the word, and this one comes in the middle or at the end of a word. This one doesn't attach to anything, but this one attaches. So if they wanted to play, the first sound that I would hear in this part would be ah, because it comes first. So I write it first. And the first sound that I make when I want to read it would be this one. So ah, and then I would have s. So os, os, os. What about that one? Yeah, this will attach to se. So it would be the lowercase because that's the only one that can attach to something, okay? So in this part, se and then a. I write down se first and then a, and this attached to this one. So when I want to read it, first s and then a. So together they would be sa, sa, sa. What about a? This one comes always at the beginning, doesn't attach to anything. This one comes above, or we say attached, but it's not that attached. It's come above the consonants, the lowercase consonants. So it would be as, as. And when it comes to this one, it would be s, a, s, a. So together they would be sa. What about this one? E is exactly the same as this one. The first one doesn't attach to anything, always comes at first. And this one attached to lowercase consonants and would make it sound like itself and comes in the middle. So when this one wants to play with this, it would be es, es, and together would be es, es. What about this one? S, e, s, e. I use lowercase se because that's the one that attached to this. So it would be se. Together it would be se, se. How about this one? Yeah, first one would be just at the beginning of a word, doesn't attach to anything, and this one is the one that attaches. So when it comes to playing with se, the first one with this would be first o and then s. Together os, os. What about that one? Again, lowercase one with o above. Together would be s, o, and attached would be so, so. How about this? When u starts playing, the first one comes always at the beginning. This one either in the middle of a word or at the end, and this one attaches. So here we have first this one, then se, together us, together oos, oos. When it comes to that lowercase one, it attaches to this one, and together s, oo, together su, s, oo, su, su. And this tricky one here. Well, we know that it has three forms. First one comes always at the beginning, attached from this part only. This one comes in the middle of a word, attached from both sides based on the word and consonants that it is in the middle of them. And the last one sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. So when it starts playing with se, first Is, is, is. And that one would be see, s, yeah, see, s, e, see. As easy as this. Well, for practicing, of course, now you know the algorithm. So when I want to practice and you want to practice, one page I write as, one page sa, and alongside writing, I read with it. I read with it. That's how I know how to write and how to read at the same time. See you guys next session with another consonant to play with. Don't forget to subscribe and comment for me when you've done this, and see you guys next session. Bye.